In this video, I'm going to show you how to register in Axiom Trade. So the first thing you have to do, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you click on that link and sign up, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. And once you click on that link, you will come to this website over here where you simply have to press Start Trading to start the registration process. Once you do this, you will have to enter in the invite code. So for me, the invite code is IHT. It should be automatically filled in if you click the link down below. And then you can either sign in with an email, so you can enter in your email and then press sign up, or you can continue with Google or with Phantom Wallet if you want to. So if you want to continue with Google, click on that. It will basically show all your Google accounts. You'll have to pick one and it will automatically sign you in. But if you want to connect with Phantom, you can click that over here. It will open up your Phantom extension, and when you sign in, so put in your password of your Phantom wallet, you'll simply have to press unlock and it will give you the option to press connect and then connect Axiom with Phantom. So those are the options you have, and that's how you register to Axiom Trade. And then once you're logged in, so let me just really quickly log in over here to show you how it looks like. The first thing you will see once logged in, you will see this cog, there we go, and now you'll see this discover feed over here where you can then start depositing and trading on Axiom Trade. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.